Quickly add devices. Tap PTZ mode to go to the following interface. Click the menu button. Then tap Device Management. Tap Quickly Add to automatically search for and add devices on the same local network. Enter your username and password. Once added, devices will appear under Added Devices. Tap Expand menu, then go to Real-Time View. Tap the plus icon to load the device list. Select Local to display local devices. Double-click the IPC to complete the addition. Manually add. In the Device Management interface, tap Manually Add. Enter the device's IP address, port, username and password. Then tap the Save icon. Once added, you can view them in the device list. Click the plus icon to load the device list. Select Local to display local devices. Double-click the IPC to complete the addition. Call preset point. To call a preset, select the PTZ camera, enter the preset number on the keyboard, and then press Call PRE. To call a cruise, select the PTZ camera, enter the cruise number on the keyboard, and then press Call CRU.